Hi, I'm James, and today I'm doing a review on the Zyppah RX anti-snoring device. In the past, I have had a lot of problems with snoring. I was losing sleep, my partner was losing sleep. It was unbearable. I tried everything. Sleeping on my side, various stop snoring mouthpiece options, and nothing solved the problem. Eventually, I found the answer with the Zyppah RX anti-snoring device. Here's what I really like about it. It is really easy to use, and it works. I stopped snoring the first night I used it. This is what I want you to do. If you have problems snoring, go to the link under the video. There's a 30-day exclusive risk-free trial. I did, and now I enjoy peaceful night's sleep every night. This is the only product I found that really works.